Meron ba kayong mga ganong kaibigan, nangangarap ka, sinishare mo yung pangarap mo at sasabihin sa'yo, di mo kaya. Manok lang tayo. Imposible yan. One day, meron isang mama, he was walking down a path at nakakita siya ng isang malaking itlog. It was an eagle's egg. Hindi niya alam kung anong klaseng itlog yon. So ang ginawa niya, nilagay niya doon sa likod ng bahay niya kung saan meron siyang nest doon na may kasamang itlog ng mga manok. Nilagay niya doon. After a while, nag-hatch yung mga itlog at nag-hatch yung eagle. Naging eaglet. Later on, when the egg hatched, the eaglet grew with the chicks around him. So, lumalaki itong eaglet believing na sisiw din ako. Pero iba itsura niya, brown siya, mas malaki siya. Pero ang alam niya, chick siya. Manok siya. Bakit? Mga kapatid niya, manok. Ano bang buhay ng chicken? So lumaki yung eagle na puputak-putak. Naghahanap ng uod sa lupa. Lilipad ng bahagya. Pero dahil mabigat sila, sandali lang babagsak din. Ito nangyari. As time passed by, the eagle grew very old. And one day, he saw something in the sky, a majestic bird soaring through the clouds. And he asked his brothers and sisters, ano yun? What is that? And then one of his brother chicken said, oh, that's an eagle. He's the king of the birds, the master of the skies. Sabi ng eagle, gusto ko maging katulad noon. Gusto ko rin lumipad, mag-soar sa langit. But you know what the chicken said? The chicken said, saka pa. You will never be like that. Chicken lang tayo. We belong to the ground. Many years went by, the eagle longed to fly and soar majestically in the air. But every time he was dreaming and longed to fly, his fellow chickens will always remind him, manok lang tayo. We can never fly that high. Meron ba kayong mga ganong kaibigan, nangangarap ka, sinishare mo yung pangarap mo at sasabihin sa'yo, di mo kaya. Manok lang tayo. Imposible yan. And so what happened? So the eagle lived and died as a chicken because he thought he was a chicken, never an eagle. Sino sa inyo dito, you want to live an extraordinary life? Marami kayong matataas na pangarap. Let me remind you of this. The greatest tragedy in life is not that people aim high and miss. It's that people aim too low and hit. Why fit in if God called you to stand out? Why be common if God called you to be extraordinary? Why be ordinary if God called you to be special? Remember, you are set apart for God.